Alright, so here we are. We're in Conway, New Hampshire. Jumping in. Tree roots inside there. And we got some pear trees heading back towards the building that way. Fruit trees can be aggressive. They need the water, so they're aggressive when it comes to getting their nutrients. We'll get it out. Matt's rolling out the old clog dog. 125 feet of reach. Well, probably 124 now. If you want to run water in the house,
yeah, you want me to?
Yep, the water's our best friend right now.
Turn everything on?
Yes. I'd say flush the toilet too, because a lot of paper was moving. Oh, I hear the flush. There it goes. Toilet flush. Oh, nice. Just cracked my back, too.
Probably a bunch of stuff we gotta clear out in there.
Oh, I bet. What do we look like on the other end? Hey, this is what we look like looking down in the septic tank. What a bunch of fine looking fellas. Alright, let's see what we got going on up in there. Conway, New Hampshire. We are 69 feet in. It's basically marked right up near the foundation. How deep was it again? A foot?
A foot and 3 inches.
Basically foot 3 inches in depth. We have a separation in the pipe here, about 55%. Luckily, it's dropped down so the water can flow over it. Minimal toilet paper use, extra flushes to push this stuff out until repaired. We'll give them the number 2 elevated excavation for the repair with outside clean out. All right, here we go. Coming back in to check the rest of the pipe. I believe the...
Yeah, welcome to the place where the clogs don't go down. We taking a ride down to doo-doo town, let's go. Boom, boom, welcome to doo-doo town, where the baseline thump and the poop goes down. Doo-doo, rolling with that underground pipe sound, heavy in the funk, shake the whole pipe, make it go down. Feel it in the pipes right now, 603's knocking like a hydrojet sound. Doo-doo, this beat too mean, too loud, you ain't never unclogged, nothing like doo-doo town. Ride through the streets, got that low end growl.
Okay, Matt's over there doing a location.
Neon lights flicker, mood get wild, bass and poop so thick, make the air turn foul. Water on the floor, but it's vibe not stress. Kick drum here spinning like a cardiac test down here. We don't sleep, we flex, every beat a threat, every pipe got depth.
There's some sizable trees here. We have a shift in the pipe.
The bass inbound, brown step in the zone, can't turn back now. Say it with me, say it loud. Boom, boom, welcome to the doo-doo town, where the baseline thump and the poop goes down. Doo-doo, rolling with that underground pipe sound, heavy in the truck, shake the whole block down. Boom, boom, feel it in the floor right now, 6 and 3's knocking like a hydrojet sound. Doo-doo, this beat too mean, too loud, you ain't never felt nothing like doo-doo town. Doo-doo on the floor, yeah, snake the pipe slow and dirty like a runaway poop slide. Ain't no rules when the speakers complain. We just ride that poop wave insane. Boom, boom, sound that the